from Smith RV Centre in Thunder Bay, where we are proud to be Northwestern Ontario's largest RV and marine dealer. Today we're going to showcase the 2021 Jayco Jay Flight SLX 8 265 RLS. Let's go take a look. So this trailer comes standard with a power tongue jack, and we have upgraded the propane tanks to two 30-pound tanks. Covers are included. We've got your diamond plate. In and around here, we have our pass-through storage. Super exciting this year, Jayco has actually added a magnet holdback instead of the little clips. So that's super exciting. Nice big pass-through storage, goes right through to underneath the bed. Moving along here, we have two entrances on this trailer. This one here goes right into the master bedroom. And then we have the rear entrance at the back. We have a power awning with an LED light strip, and you also have your speakers up in the awning. So when you're listening to your music, your awning is rolled out and your music goes down to your campsite as opposed to sharing it to everybody else. We have the best-in-class Goodyear tires on here with galvanized steel rims. We have your entry door here, solid entry steps, nice and sturdy, with a large grab handle. And then moving on to the back over here, we have added on the roof ladder because we want you up there checking your seals. Jayco has their Magnum Truss roof system, which is rated for 4,500 pounds. So you can get up there, check your seals. You don't have to worry about falling through. And then we also have pre-wired for a backup camera. Let's go take a look inside. Okay, so this trailer is a rear living trailer. You have great big windows at the back, plus storage up at the top. Two rocking chairs with an end table and an outlet in between. Heading along over this way, we have, again, more storage, nice big windows, and you have your jackknife sofa, storage underneath, which also doubles as a bed. Your dinette. It's got your standard booth dinette. Obviously, that goes down into a bed as well. And you have your storage access at the side over here. Here's where you would mount your TV. You got lots of storage. You can tuck some shoes, maybe some slippers down at the bottom over there. This is your bathroom door. We'll get in there in just a moment. Into the kitchen here. Nice, huge pantry storage. Super deep. And then we have a gas electric 6 cubic foot fridge. You got your Furrion oven with your lights. And this has the glass cover, which is great. Gives you extra storage when it's down. Sorry, extra counter space. And then your sink, 2 double sinks. You have the residential faucet. And lastly, this one here does have the gas electric water heater. So that's the main area. Let's go check out the bathroom and the bedroom. What I love about Jayco's bathrooms is they always give you a light switch, so you can turn the lights on and off. You have a mirror above your sink. You got a little storage underneath here. They give you a towel rack. Nice sliding door shower. Porcelain foot flush toilet. And my favorite part, this massive storage. Heading over into the bedroom, you got your sliding pocket door. And something new that they've given us is this blue LED light. You have individual lights here that you can turn on and off for reading. You've got storage on both sides. This one's a hanging storage. You got shelving over on that side over there. We actually added the package of the solar panels on top of this one here. And this is for your TV stand or your TV bracket. What's really neat about this is you just pop it on and you can bring it outside. There's a setup out there for you as well. Of course, we have our storage underneath the bed that I was telling you about. Connects to the pass-through storage over here. And then, of course, your entry to the bedroom just right up there. So that's the 265 RLS. Let's go back outside. Thanks for joining me on the tour of the 265 RLS. To book your personal tour, you can give us a call or text us. You can even visit our website at www.smithsrvcenter.com, where you can find more information on this unit, see some pictures, some pricing, financing, as well as if you have a trade, you can also inquire about that. Thanks again, and I hope to see you soon.